Yo, what is good YouTube? I am Richie Kim. As I mentioned in my previous video, I was gonna get a new car and I actually took delivery of that car yesterday. So now I'm gonna show you what I got. So the car I took delivery of is this brand new M3 Competition xDrive. It's a 2024 model. Me specifically, I got it in this Dravic gray metallic. I absolutely love this color. You can kind of see here in the shade, there are some like spots where the sun is hitting it and you can really see that gold speckle. I absolutely love this color. This is my like #1 color choice. I completely spec this vehicle. Sorry for the car that's passing by, but yeah, I ordered this car back in June of this year, I believe, and I finally got it. I just picked it up yesterday. I'm super happy to finally have this. There are definitely some things that I want to change about the car, and we can always do that with mods and whatnot. So those will be in future videos, so stay tuned for those. But yeah, I absolutely love this car. I did get to test drive one actually a while back because of an event at my dealership over here. They had all these M cars come out and I test drove it. I actually test drove it for quite a while because I was the last person with the car. So yes, it is an amazing car. Like I said, there's definitely some stuff that I want to do to it, at least exterior mod wise. Performance wise, I'm not sure if I want to do anything yet. We'll see. For sure an exhaust is going to go on, but other than that, I don't know, maybe I'll do a catalyst downpipe. We'll have to see. Honestly, I'm really not sure what I want to do in terms of the performance. But yeah, just diving into the specs of this car, this car does have the laser lights. Super sick. These are a must-have. I really don't like the non-laser light option that they put on this car. Moving to the wheels and tires, sadly, I did lose the tire lottery. I got stuck with the Pirellis. Kind of sucks. I really wanted the Michelin PS4S, but it is what it is. Most likely what I'll do is I'll just ride it out, wait until these things die. Moving to the wheels, I got the A26M Competition wheels in the bicolor. I didn't opt for the all black. I think, all black is a little bit boring. At least in the bicolor, it does add a little bit of color, a little bit of contrast. So I really do like these wheels. And as far as the calipers go, as you can see, I got the blue calipers. Moving to the back, you still have the A26M Competition wheels. There are 20s in the rear, 19s up in the front. And as you all can see, it is the M3 Competition with that xDrive. Yeah, see, you all can really see that kind of like two-tone color almost because it's in the sunlight now. You see those metallic flakes. I really love this color. I can't express how much this color looks, like how great it looks in person. So moving on to the interior, as you all can see, I actually got the Fjord blue interior. This is a super unique interior color. I don't see many cars, with a blue interior. Most M3s that you're going to come across, they're probably going to have like a red or a white or a black interior. Fjord blue just came out, I think on the 2023 model. And this is a 24, so this is the second year that they have this color. But this color is crazy. It looks so good, especially in person. So moving to the interior of the car, you do have your standard really big screen infotainment system with your gauge cluster built in. I believe it's one piece of glass, but it's like two separate screens. Having a really big Apple CarPlay is actually really cool. One thing I really don't like about this infotainment system, which is iDrive 8, is the fact that you do have, almost no buttons to press. Everything is almost in the screen, like your climate controls. They do have like your volume and stuff down here, along with your like front and rear windshield like heaters. But yeah, kind of sucks that the climate is built into the screen, but in the end, it is what it is. So my particular package, as you all can see, I did opt for the carbon fiber. Carbon fiber just gives it that really nice sporty look that I really wanted for my car, especially because I'm going aftermarket for a lot of other exterior parts that are going to be carbon fiber. So yeah, it's a nice to have. It looks really good, very, very classy. Another thing I got for the car is this full leather package. So this is all leather. Up here is leather, everywhere is leather. It's super nice, super luxurious. The other thing that I got for my car is the executive package. It just includes some extra stuff. I don't know off the top of my head, besides the automatic trunk. So you can open and close the trunk without, you know, having to manually close it, which is a nice touch. I also have the 360 camera on here. The camera quality is okay. You know, my previous car, which was actually a Genesis G70, I think had a better quality 360 camera, but like I said, it is what it is, and it still looks pretty good, but definitely not as high quality. So that is a slight disappointment, but yeah. So yeah, like I mentioned, you know, please stick around. I am going to be doing more uploads of car content with this car, as well as the Elantra N, which is actually my girlfriend's Elantra N. Maybe she'll let me do some stuff to it, or maybe she wants to do some stuff to it, like mod wise, but I don't know, we'll see about that. But this for sure is going to get mods, and those will be in upcoming videos. Actually, starting with tomorrow, I'm getting something done to the car. Actually, I'm getting 2 things done to the car tomorrow. So yeah, stick around for that. Hope you guys like the content. Subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.